How to automate and auto-post your content from Notion to social media using Zapier. Step by step, the easiest way.
And the platform you are going to be using for this is Notion, Zapier, and also Buffer. So let's get started. Now, the first thing that we need to do is create a database for your content. Of course, even if you need a dashboard, a very extensive dashboard, you still need a database for your content. And these are the properties that you need: your content title, the platform you are sending to, your published date, the date you want your content to be published online, the status of your properties of your content, then the topic and the theme, which is the tag on Buffer, then your content description. These are your captions for all your content. So those are the things that you need. And from there, you can have your images if you want. But right now, I'm not going to be working with images. So I will just work with this for now. Then we can talk about images later. Now, everything you just need to do is, after creating this, you move down to your Zapier. And you are going to create a new Zap. Then your trigger action is going to be Notion. Then after that, you connect your account, then map it out. When a new database item, then connect your account and then you continue. Now you configure. Then you see a social media content planner, which is what I have right here. Then filter by creation date first. Then you test the trigger. Now, from here you can see the content that you have behind the scene, the page, and everything that you need from here. You can actually see them. So behind the scene, and if you come here, you will see behind the scene, which is this. So that is what you need. Then you continue with the selected record. Then the next trigger is going to be filter. And this filter is very important in whatever we are doing here. Now we are going to set up 2 triggers from here. Now the first one is going to be our status. When the status is contained, now here we want to have schedule, then publish. Now when my status is scheduled, then I want it to move down to Buffer. Then after that, once it's published on Buffer, I want this one to be published. So we are going to be setting that one. But for now, we need scheduled. So when you get here, type your scheduled, and which platform are you posting to? Then you pick platform from here. So this is our platform. When platform contains, so currently on my Buffer, I only connect my Facebook. So from here, I'm just going to be doing the Facebook. Now here, when it contains Facebook, then I'll continue from there. Now the next action is going to be the trigger. It's going to be the Buffer. Then what does Buffer do? After picking the app, then your action event is going to be add to queue. Then you want to connect your account. So I've already connected my account, but setting this up is very straightforward, so everybody can get it. Now, after picking that, now you need to map out everything here based on what you have on Notion. Now they are going to give you this, which is your workspace on Buffer, so my organization. Then your tag is going to be custom, which is what you have on Notion. You are going to come here, pick your tag. I have my tag on Notion as topic, and theme. Now this one is going to be topic and theme under custom. Topic and theme. Yep. Then the channel is, I only connect my Facebook account. So if you connect your Instagram, you see your Instagram on that channel. Then my text is going to be my captions, which is my content description. Then the medium, which puts no attachments for now. Then the method is this. Now I'm going to test out this trigger. This should work. Yeah. So now as you can see, this has been published. And when I sent down here, which is showing real for created 48 seconds ago. So if you check it, you notice that everything that I have here on buffer is what they actually send down to me here. You can see the time, July